Good morning, girls. We are back again. Now, today we'll be doing the second part of lesson number 4. What is the lesson? Animals, food they eat. We'll be starting from the brain teaser that is on page number 172. Open page number 172 and write today's date in front of brain teaser. Written? Now your brain teaser is, which is the only insect that produces food available for human consumption? Can anyone tell me? Let me tell you, it is honeybee. Okay? You write honeybee in front of that. Honeybee. It produces honey for you all. Okay? Now it's interesting. Sharks are meat eaters, but not man eaters, as is generally believed. We all know shark, it lives in seas and oceans, and we all feel that they eat animals and even man, but that is not right. Sharks, they are meat eaters, but they do not eat men over there. They eat other fishes and even other sharks. Larger sharks sometimes eat dolphins and sea lions. They eat all other animals living in the sea. Okay? Now, next page. In our last class, we had discussed about herbivores, that are plant-eating animals, and carnivores, that are flesh-eating animals. We discussed about their teeth also. Herbivores, they have flat teeth to grind their food. What they eat? Grass, plants, and leaves and all. Okay. Carnivores, they have sharp teeth. Why? Because they have to tear the flesh from the prey. Okay. Now today we are discussing about omnivores. Now as you all know, the omnivores eat plants and animals both. So what type of teeth will they have? Undoubtedly, they'll have teeth like herbivores also and like carnivores also. So let's start reading. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. We have already learned that. Sparrows eat seeds as well as insects. Ants, bear, foxes, crow, cockroaches and peacocks eat both plants and animals. So these are few omnivores that eat both plants and animals. Okay? Now, omnivores such as bear have sharp teeth like carnivores and also flat teeth like herbivores. See, I told you, underline this sentence first. Omnivores such as bear have sharp teeth like carnivores and also flat teeth like herbivores. Underline this sentence. Now here you see, it has got both type of teeth. It has got sharp teeth also to tear the flesh, and it has got the flat teeth also to grind the food. Okay? The sharp teeth in the front help in biting and tearing food. The flat teeth behind, the sharp teeth help the omnivores in chewing the food. You can see the picture given on the left hand side. See the picture of that bear there? It has got sharp teeth in the front, and then after those sharp teeth, it has got flat teeth to chew the food. Okay? Now let's check brain teasers. I'll be giving you in WhatsApp. Turn to page number 174. It's interesting. Do you know it is only the adult female mosquito that bites? Did you know that? I'm sure you know. Mosquitoes, male and female both type of mosquitoes are there, but male mosquitoes, they only feed on what? Plant juices. They do not feed on your blood. Okay? The male mosquito feed only on plant juices. Okay? And female mosquito, they bite you. Okay? Now, we all have animals at home. Many of us have animals in our farms. So all the animals that are kept in farms for some use, they are called as domestic animals. You all know that, isn't it? And the animals that you keep at home, they are called as pet animals. Now girls, we all keep the animals, but we have to treat them properly. We have to keep them carefully so that they do not fall sick. Understood? So how to take care of the animals? Care of animals. Animals that are kept in farms or at home are called domestic animals. Just underline the sentence. Animals that are kept in farms or at homes are called domestic animals. We also keep animals at home as pet. You all know dogs, cats and all. These animals need proper care. We must make proper home for them to stay in. Isn't it? When you keep an animal, you have to make proper home for that animal. The home of domestic animal and pet animal should be cleaned every day. Otherwise, they'll have different mosquitoes and everything. No, if you don't clean properly, healthy food should be given at the proper time. If you do not give healthy food, what will happen? The animal will fall sick. You know, they have specific diet. Every animal has got different diet. So, according to their food, you have to give them the food. Animals should be given clean drinking water. Everyone needs clean drinking water. You all know that. Animals should be kept clean. They should be given proper bath. Okay? Sick or injured animals must be taken at once to the animal doctor. Now, there are separate doctors for treating the animals. So, once your animal falls sick, you have to take the animal to the doctor. What are they called? They are called veterinary doctor. They are called vets. They are also called as veterinarian. Okay? Veterinarian. Okay? We must be kind to animals and should not hurt them or tease them. We all know that. When you behave with them properly, they are going to help you out. Understood? When you keep dog at home, it guards their house, no? It helps you, no? Then it saves you from thieves and all, robbery, everything. So you should also keep your dog properly. Isn't it? Same is the case with all the animals that are kept at farms also. You keep them cow, hens and everything. Do you keep hen at home? No. Do you keep cow at home? No. They also give you milk, egg and everything. So you have to take proper care of the animals that you keep in your farms or at home. Now girls, here we finish with this lesson. Let us recall the lesson. Now I will tell you one important thing, girls. We had started from first lesson. Our first lesson was living and non-living, as you all remember. Do you remember? Our first lesson was living and non-living. In our second lesson, what we did? We studied about animals and your living things are divided into animals and plants. Isn't it? This was your first lesson. This was your second lesson. In your third lesson, what you did? You studied about plants. Isn't it? You studied about plants. This was your third lesson. Functions you studied. Do you remember? Do you remember you studied about the functions of different parts of the plant? And this is your fourth lesson about animals that you have done today. Okay, in animals you had three types: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. And after this, you had discussed about their teeth also. Herbivores have flat teeth, carnivores have sharp teeth, omnivores have sharp teeth also and flat teeth also. Okay, according to their diet, they have their teeth. Now girls, I'll be sending you all your book work and your copy work on WhatsApp. Today we finished with lesson number 4. Next time we'll be starting with lesson number 5. That is birds, beak and fees. Okay? Thank you so much.